Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the EPOMAKER Ajazz AK820 Pro 75% mechanical keyboard, a true marvel of modern design and functionality. This keyboard boasts a TFT smart display, offering real-time updates and customization options, including battery status, date and time display, and connectivity information, all in high definition. Designed with a 75% compact layout, it's perfect for maximizing desk space while providing a seamless typing experience, whether you're at home or on the go. With versatile connectivity options, you can switch between Bluetooth 5.1, 2.4 GHz wireless, or a Type-C wired connection, ensuring fast responses and efficient multitasking, backed by a robust 4000 mAh battery for long-lasting use. The gasket-mounted design, coupled with a flex-cut PC plate and PCB, delivers a cushioned yet precise typing feel, reducing vibration and noise for an unparalleled experience. Illuminate your setup with south-facing LEDs offering 1.6 million RGB color combinations, allowing you to customize your lighting to match your mood or aesthetic. Finally, enjoy full compatibility with both Mac and Windows operating systems, making the Ajazz AK820 Pro a versatile choice for any user. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.